Let's fill out the Colorado Boat Bill of Sale together and do it in a way that holds up when it's time to register the boat and transfer the title. Start at the top with the date of sale, then the seller's details. In our example, that's Anna Baker, with her address, phone, and email. Then the buyers, Ben Carter, with the same. 2 quick habits. Enter each name exactly as it appears on that person's ID and on the title. A nickname or a typo can stall the transfer later. And don't leave a line blank. If something doesn't apply, write NA. Next, describe the boat, the make, the year, and the color. Then, the hull identification number, or HIN. Type the HIN exactly as it appears on the title or the boat. A single wrong character can hold up the transfer. Then the engine hours. Write the exact number, not a rounded guess. Now the purchase date and the sale price, in our example, $8,500, paid all at once, by check, with taxes included. Write the real price. Lowballing it to shave the sales tax can come back as back taxes and penalties, and it leaves the buyer with weaker proof of what they actually paid. Now the signatures. The seller and the buyer each print their name, sign, and date. This form also has witness lines and a notary block. Use them only if your state requires it, or add a witness for extra proof. Then make 2 copies. Each side keeps a signed one. If you're transferring a boat title in this state, here's what you need to know. First, let's talk about signatures. If the original title was not signed by the owner listed on that title, a signature is required to correct that. Next, for notarization. Your bill of sale can either be signed under penalty of perjury in the 2nd degree, under Colorado Revised Statute 42-6-125, or it can be notarized. Either option works. You will also need a motor vehicle bill of sale and a trustee statement for certificate of title. That's Form DR 2175 to complete the title transfer. When it comes to odometer disclosure, that applies to trailers that are not self-propelled. For seller information, you'll need to include the titled owner's full name or names. For buyer information, pay close attention here. You cannot use just a first initial and last name, and you cannot use a doing business as name in that section. Remember, this is general information, not legal or tax advice.